and welcome guys once again to Language Space. My name is Imran and welcome to video number 6 of our journey towards learning English. तो पिछली 5 वीडियोस में हमने देखा कि टेंसेस क्या होते हैं, प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस क्या होता है, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस क्या होता है। उन टेंसेस को हमने अपनी रियल लाइफ से रिलेट करके देखा कि कहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं। और आज इस वीडियो में हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस को कंक्लूड करेंगे, जहाँ पे हम ये देखेंगे कि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस कहाँ पे यूज़ नहीं किया जाता है। Alright, so let's begin our journey towards our videos. And if you have not watched our previous videos, so the link of these videos is in the description. Please click on the link and see the previous videos as well so that you can completely understand what I'm talking about in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead with our topic present continuous. गाइस, अपनी लास्ट वीडियोस में हमने देखा था कि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस हम कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं और साथ के साथ हमने कुछ एक चीज़ें देखी थी जहाँ पे हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस को यूज़ नहीं करते हैं। तो एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है और कॉमनली इसमें हम मिस्टेक करते हैं, यहाँ पे हमें प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए। दोज आर स्टेरियो वर्ब्स। जैसा कि मैंने कल भी आपसे कहा था अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में कि स्टेरियो वर्ब्स ऐसे वर्ब्स होते हैं जहाँ पे हमें ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए विद सर्टेन एक्सेप्शंस, राइट। तो सबसे पहले आज हम बात करेंगे स्टेटिव वर्ब्स के बारे में। अगर आपके पास ग्रामर की थोड़ी बहुत एक नॉलेज होगी, आपको ये पता होगा कि वर्ब डिस्क्राइब्स एन एक्शन एंड स्टेटिव वर्ब्स आर दीज वर्ब्स विच एक्चुअली डू नॉट डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन, they only describe a state or a condition, we can say. एक state, एक condition describe करते हैं. Let's see an example. I am happy. Okay. So happy is actually a state of mind or it's a condition. So happy is a stative verb. Alright. So let's take certain examples, some more examples here, जिससे ये पूरा clear हो जाएगा. So let's see with our first example here. I am wanting a paper. All right. I am wanting a paper. So यहाँ पे wanting लग रहा है it's a present continuous tense, but it is not a verb, it's a stative verb rather. तो stative verb होने की वजह से हम wanting का use नहीं करेंगे. Wanting is grammatically incorrect. So what we'll say here, the actual sentence should be I want a paper. All right. So instead of saying I am wanting a paper, I should say I want a paper. Right? Let's take another example here. He is needing a help. He is needing a help. So need, it is also a stative verb. So हम इसको भी present continuous form में ऐसे use नहीं कर सकते अगर हमें describe करना हो. So it's wrong. So the right way to describe it is he needs a help. All right. Next, the flower is smelling good, right? The actual way, the flower smells good. All right, so these are certain examples. Now let's take some more examples of it. Now let's take the fourth example here. They are owning a car, right? So here owning means it shows ownership, it shows a state or a condition. So that's the reason it's not the right way to use it. The right way will be they own a car. Okay, let's take the fifth example. The flower is smelling good. So it's also not the right way. The right way should be the flower smells good. So these are some of the examples of the stative verbs जहाँ पे हम present continuous form को use नहीं करेंगे. So apart from these types, there are many other examples as well, which we'll discuss in detail when we learn about stative verbs. So in that video, I'll discuss with you all the stative verbs, almost all the stative verbs जिनको हम continuous form में use नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now the verbs that we saw in stative verbs जहाँ पे हम इनको continuous form में use नहीं कर सकते हैं, there are certain exceptions to this. कुछ exceptions हैं जहाँ पे हम इनको continuous form में use कर सकते हैं, but the meaning of that is entirely different. Let's see with the examples here. Say for example, I say I have a car. Okay, so it means I own a car. This is the first way to see it. Now this have, I can use it in a different form as well in a sentence like this. I am having dinner. Right? So here having means to eat something. Now here have shows the ownership, and here having means to eat something. So both haves have different meanings here. One shows the ownership, the other shows an action. So this shows a state and this shows an action. Now take another example. I see him traveling every day. All right? I see. So see shows a state of seeing something, and now I can use this. I am seeing someone. All right, so here seeing is a totally different thing. It means dating someone, right? So I see someone is an action, and I'm seeing someone, it's dating someone, right? So both of these C's have totally different meaning. Let's take another example here. I hear a car passing by. All right? I hear a car passing by. Right? So here it means I hear a car passing by. Okay? And we can use it in a different sense as well. I am hearing you. All right? I am hearing you. So here, these are the exceptions where we can use the stative verbs with present continuous as well. There are some more exceptions that we'll take when we discuss the stative verbs in detail. So for now, this will be it in the video. In the next video, we'll be taking our next tense, which will be present perfect tense. So till then, stay tuned.